All is set for today's congressional election in the CNMI, with 16,576 registered voters eligible to cast their ballots on Saipan, Tinian, Rota, and the Northern Islands. Voters have four candidates to choose from: former Lieutenant Governor Jesse Borja of the Democratic Party, former House Floor Leader Joseph N. Camacho of the Covenant Party, former Governor Juan N. Babauta of the Republican Party, and incumbent delegate Gregorio Kilili Sablan, who is once again running independent. Sablan, the CNMI's first non-voting delegate to the U.S. House of Representatives, said if elected, he will continue to focus on education, health, and other policy issues affecting the CNMI. He also promised to improve the CNMI's working relationship with the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. Babauta, who served as a CNMI resident representative to Washington, D.C. for 12 years before becoming a governor, said when elected, he would try to bring together all key CNMI policymakers to help solve the island's woes. Borja, also a former Supreme Court Associate Justice, said his experience in the executive and judicial branches of government and his deep knowledge of the covenant between the U.S. and the CNMI gives him an advantage over the three other candidates in the delegate race. Camacho, meanwhile, said if he wins, he will make sure U.S. citizens in the CNMI have jobs and will not compete with non-resident workers. The CNMI was granted a non-voting delegate seat in the U.S. Congress only in May 2008. Before this, the CNMI only had a non-voting Washington representative, a position that was not considered officially a part of the U.S. Congress. Mark Rabago, PNC News, Saipan.